So you bang that bit in, then you get one of these things, I don't know what the fuck it's called. Bang it straight in the red head. Badagaha, da 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 da. And you chuck these in. Yes, this is literally just rushing to get this containment up. Not fucking trimmed these ends properly. Not bad. Look, it's not even grinded the ends down. That's how it should look. Whiz these up by hand. No, you don't do that. You do this. Run it round sticky side out. Look at this. Right, now up to ceiling. And now before you jump in the comment and say, oh, instead of whizzing it up with the drill, just roll that on first. Right, if I did that, you guys wouldn't comment trying to correct me. So if you've just commented after seeing that trying to correct me and now you've come to this part of the video, I bet you feel a bit stupid now, don't you?